Hey, Sports and Entertainment Marketing. Here is the week. Okay, so I graded your sports impact projects, and I was really glad with what I saw. I did see some things to fix up, so I wanted to spend some time on today to talk to you guys about what I saw. And the biggest thing that I want us to for sure work on Monday is to get those that peer grading aspect of this project done. Um, there were only like 4 people who had like that all taken care of. So I want to make sure you guys get some time today in class to work on that. I'm gonna just like kind of go over some stuff about that project, so that if you want to get some points back on it, you can, and share some highlights, etc. And then also, I know there were some people that maybe wanted to share out their project and do focus groups, so I'm gonna take some time for that on Monday also. And then we will actually start the amusement park project on Wednesday. So I'm going to have a video for you kind of introducing the project and showing you the slideshow that we're going to be working with for the whole thing. This project is going to take us right to the end of the school year. I'm thinking that for a final, we're going to have some kind of like a test sort of a thing. It's not going to be super stressful. You'll probably be able to use, notes and the things that you've worked on throughout the year, but it'll kind of review vocabulary and things like that. But before that, we are going to do this amusement park project, which is going to really sum up all of the things that we've talked about all year and allow you to bring them together in a cool, cohesive kind of way where you're making something fun. So on Wednesday, we're going to kind of share out our big brainstorming ideas, and then we're going to start working on the roller coaster slides. And then Friday is going to be all about the roller coaster slides. Some of the other components of this project, to give you just a taste, are going to be, you're going to need to have like a theme for the whole park. Kind of like what's the name of the park? Like what's it about? We're going to talk about like concessions. We're going to talk about game booths. We're going to talk about, and when I say talk about, I mean like you're going to have some slides about this. So you're going to have to like have a few different ideas of things that you'd want to have for each of these things. What else? Yeah, games, concessions, maybe prizes, merch, marketing / advertising. There's just like a bunch of things to it, and it's not all finalized yet, but I just wanted to give you guys kind of an idea of where we're going with it. So we will continue to talk about it as the week goes on, and I will see you guys in class today. Bye.